Hello everyone, how to fix Fortnite app update problems issue. This problem's unknown error is occurred during installation of Fortnite. If the problem persists, please contact Epic support. So let's start go. To resolve the installation error, try the following steps in order. Run as administrator, close the Epic Games launcher completely, right-click the launcher shortcut on your desktop and select Run as administrator. This often bypasses permissions-related locks. Verify games files, open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Click the three dots next to Fortnite, select Manage and then click the Verify button. The launcher will scan and repair any missing or corrupted games files, then clear launcher cache. Close the Epic Games launcher, check Task Manager to ensure it's fully closed. Press Windows key plus R, type all app data and press Enter. Open the Epic Games Launcher folder, open the SAD folder, delete the web cache folder. It may also be named web cache 4430. Restart the launcher and try the update again. Check drive space, ensure the drive where Fortnite is installed has sufficient free space, as a lack of space can cause installation and update failures. Advanced troubleshooting. Check for confliction drivers. Some users have reported issue with drivers like WinLO causing startup errors. You can stop this via command prompt admin by typing stop win064 if applicable. Reinstall the launcher. As a last resort, uninstall the Epic Games launcher. Download a fresh installer from the official website and reinstall it. Thank you for watching in this video.